Sweet Currency Mamapreneur here, and I'm so excited to talk about this topic because this is why I do these videos. So today's topic is a step-by-step guide to how to successfully launch a part-time vending machine business. So before we get started with today's topic, do me a huge favor and go ahead and click on the like button and also hit the subscribe button. The more of you that subscribe, the larger audience that I can reach. So if you do that for me, I'll be able to spread this message to more people and hopefully bring more people along for the ride on this vending machine business journey. All right, so you want to start a part-time side hustle, right? You want to start a vending machine business, but you want to do it part-time like me? Here are my steps to success. 1, you need to establish a legitimate business. So OMG, guys, please, please, please do this first, okay? Uncle Sam is out there and he is watching. He is watching. So it's going to look really weird if you're starting to collect profits and nobody knows where you're getting them from. You know, that sends off red flags at banks, okay? So please, first, establish your business. We have our business listed as an LLC. You would list yours however you feel appropriate, but please go ahead and get a business name and a business license, all of those things that you need before you start anything at all. And also consult. Don't just take my advice for it. Please go out and get legal advice from your attorney and from anybody that you talk to, like your accountant, okay, for all of your financial and business needs. All right. Full disclaimer out there. Don't come back and say, hey, she told me to do this. No, I'm telling you to consult your lawyer and to consult your accountant. But anyway, 1, establish your business first. Okay, so we got a business name and then we got our business listed as an LLC. And because we did those things, we have other things like we have a license to be a reseller, which means when I go to Sam's Club and purchase my products, I purchase them as a reseller, which means I purchase them tax-free, because I end up paying taxes on what I sell, not what I purchase. So there's benefits to that. Step 2, find your location first. I say this all the time. Please do not buy a machine thinking, okay, I have a vending machine business. You need a location. So find the location first. A lot of times you'll find a location and maybe you have a drink machine, but they want a snack machine. Now what do you do? All right, so find a location first. So first, establish your business. Step 2, find a location. Once you've found your location, then you're going to buy your machine. So you're going to buy your machine and place your machine at your location. And also, I highly recommend during this step that you get a credit card reader put on your machine. Okay, so that's something else you have to look into. You're going to have to establish a contract with a company that will process your credit card transactions for you. But I highly recommend it. I've said it before, but I make 80% of my revenue from credit card swipes. So if you can, tap your phone or tap your credit card on a vending machine, you're more likely to make a larger purchase, and that's where I make my money. So establish your business, find a location. Step number 3 is to place your machine. Buy your machine, place your machine at that location. And if you're like me, you're going to get a credit card reader on that machine. All right, step 4. Now the fun part, the part that I like, of course, go shopping. You're going to go shopping for that particular machine. Don't get too excited in the store. You'll spend more money than you need to, and you'll end up with product that expires before you can sell it. But you're going to go shopping and you're going to fill that machine. Make sure your machine looks nice and pretty. Make sure the way you fill it out is appealing to the eye. So when I do mine, I put all the chips together, all the sweet things together, all the candy goes together, kind of like that, so you're going to go shopping and you're going to fill your machine. And that's it. Step 5, collect those profits. Collect those profits. This is a great business to be in. It doesn't require too much of your time, which is why I love it as a part-time side hustle. And also, if you follow these 5 steps, you're going to collect all the profits. You're not sharing those with anybody because it is your business. And that is so important. You are the boss. You collect the money. You decide where it goes. All right. So follow those 5 steps and you will successfully launch your part-time vending machine business side hustle. Okay. I hope that was quick enough for everybody. I got 5 key strategies in less than 5 minutes. Do me a favor, head on over to sweetcurrencyuniversity.com. Check me out, check out my products, check out my freebies. They're all there for you. Leave a comment if you have a question or there's a topic you want me to talk about. And as always, be happy. Drives people crazy.